Peace be upon you. I am Mohaiminul Kabir, very delighted to be part of the Freelance Focus Upskill for a Better Future program under Bangladesh Association of Contact Center and Outsourcing. In today's digital economy, freelancing is not just an option, it is a powerful career path. However, many people struggle because they start without proper guidance, strategy, or realistic expectations. This course is designed to bridge that gap. This course began with freelancing fundamentals and a reality check that allows the participants to clearly understand how freelancing actually works, what skills are in demand, and how to avoid beginner mistakes. Then comes marketplace profile optimization, where participants learn how to present themselves professionally in platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. A major focus of this course is bidding and proposal writing strategy, which taught us how to write proposals that stand out, communicate value, and win clients. Participants will also learn portfolio building and showcasing skills, even if they are new or starting with no prior experience.
যেটা আপনি কিনবেন এটা তো আপনার ডিফারেন্ট সেভিংস থেকে আসছে। এমন তো না যে আপনি মানে ব্যাংক ডাকাতি করে নিয়ে আসছেন, এরকম কিছু না। আপনার নিজের ব্যাংকের টাকা দিয়ে কেউ ফ্ল্যাট কিনতে পারে না নরমালি। আমি বলছি লাক্সারি যে আইটেমগুলো, ধরেন আপনি জুয়েলারি কিনলেন, সোনা কিনলেন, ২ ভরির গহনা কিনলেন, ভরি কত?
This course also covered pricing strategies, package creation, and review management. For critical long term success, this program also focused on client communication and soft skills. Productivity, time management, and work life balance are also emphasized so that freelancers can avoid burnout and work for a longer term. This course allowed us to learn how to market our services beyond marketplaces. Sourcing the contracts from the marketplaces, then preparing proposals for them, and then following them up until the proposal is awarded. So complete package of federal contracting, which is pretty rare in the marketplace.
And
itself.
difficult too.
Yes, because you can find people who have niche in separate sectors, but a complete package is quite rare.
Thank you very
Finally, this course concludes with a final project and mentorship session. To me, this is not just a course, it is a guided roadmap for anyone who is serious in building a future in freelancing. I will encourage you to take full advantage of this learning opportunity. Thank you.